Amtrak's Silver Star, train numbers 91 and 92, was a once-daily long-distance passenger train that traveled between New York City and Miami, Florida. The train traces its origin and much of its route to the Seaboard Airline Railroad. On November 10, 2024, Amtrak temporarily replaced the Silver Star with a new train dubbed the Floridian. The Floridian combines the route of the Silver Star and the Washington, D.C. to Chicago Capital Limited into a single train running from Miami to Chicago. This also temporarily suspends Silver Star service to stations along the Northeast Corridor north of Washington, D.C., although most of the same route will continue to be served by the Silver Meteor. I went into more detail on why this change was made in my recent video on Amtrak's Capital Limited, but to briefly summarize, due to a tunnel rehabilitation project on the Northeast Corridor in New York City, capacity on the impacted portion of the route has been temporarily reduced. As a result, the Silver Star was truncated and combined into the Floridian to reduce congestion through New York City. This change will likely remain in effect for the next 2 years. In this video, I'd like to take a look at several scenes I've filmed of the Silver Star over the last several years. We will see the train on the diesel-hauled portion of the trip south of Washington, D.C., as well as on the high-speed Northeast Corridor between Washington and New York. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for this look at the Silver Star. If you enjoyed the video, let me know by clicking the like button and leaving a comment in the comments section. As always, a special thanks to all my supporters on Patreon. To receive notifications every time I post to YouTube, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. There's even more train and railroad content on my other social media pages. I'll be back next Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific Time with a brand new railroad-themed adventure right here on the YouTube channel. That's it for now. Until next time, I'm Mike Armstrong. I'll see you down the line. Thanks for watching.